Welcome to the quick start guide for your new motorhome and caravan heating system. This setup includes a Combineo heater from Truma. In this video, we'll show you how to control the heater using the iNetX panel. In the main menu, tap Hot Water for setting the water heating. You automatically start in comfort mode, which is ideal for washing hands or dishes. The displayed countdown indicates the approximate heating time until the target temperature is reached. You can choose the energy source, gas, electric, or hybrid. To select the energy source, tap the button at the bottom right. In hybrid mode, gas and electricity are used at the same time, providing the maximum heat output of 7 kilowatts. For electric operation, select gas off. Then choose between 1, 2, or 3 kilowatts. At the campsite, ask for the maximum fuse protection in amperes and choose the right electric power. For more details, see the user manual. For operation with gas, select gas on, and then electricity off. The energy source selection is for both water heating and air heating. If you want to take a long shower, choose the shower mode. The displayed countdown indicates the waiting time until the water is ready. During shower mode, room heating is paused. If hot water has not been used for a while, the system automatically switches back from shower to comfort mode. Use the energy source hybrid or gas to maximize the potential of the shower mode. For setting the room heating, tap Room Climate and choose Heating. You automatically start in comfort mode. You can set the room temperature using plus or minus. In comfort mode, you can adjust the fan settings. Go back to the main menu. Select Settings, then Heater Settings and choose between 5 different fan levels. You can adjust the fan setting to optimize heat distribution and sound levels in your vehicle. The fan level is saved but can be changed at any time. Let's go back to room heating. If you want to quickly heat up the room with maximum power and highest fan level, tap Boost. Please note, water heating is paused during boost mode. Once the target room temperature is achieved, the system automatically switches back to comfort mode. You can also choose between 2 automatic modes, Away and Night modes. Away mode saves energy and prevents the water from freezing. Night mode focuses on quiet operation with the fan at the lowest level. In both modes, you can set your preferred room temperature. Hot water remains available in standby mode if the water heating has been switched on. You can control the Combineo heater using the iNetX panel or the app. Find the iNetX app in your app store. On the home screen of the panel, simply tap on iNetX app to connect and enjoy seamless control at your fingertips.